Let's start setting up your OBS for streaming. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to set up your OBS for your live streaming. So first of all, you have to go to the official website of OBS and download the software in your device. And after that, you have to set up the best setting for your recording and streaming, or you can choose the auto configuration wizard or optimize OBS studio for your needs, whether you are streaming fast-paced gameplay or recording high fidelity videos. It takes into account what you want to do in your OBS studio. So wizard will pop up like this screen as you can see in your screen right here, first time when you run your OBS studio. So in order to name this particular screen, so you have to click on this plus icon from the bottom and just click on add scene and give this name anything that you want to name this stream and click on OK. So as you can see that your scene has been named and it will start recording with this particular name only. And after that, we need to add sources in the OBS section. So just click on P plus icon. So first we will capture the display. So in order to capture the display, you just have to click on the display capture and make sure that the create one new is selected and just click on OK. And it will show you the automation settings and the display resolution as per screen right here. So you can select it by default or you can customize it according to your need and just click on OK. I'm just gonna keep it on default. So this is how your recording screen will look like. And when you click on plus icon again, you will see the option called audio input capture. So if you create new, then you will be able to add your device. Then you will be able to select your device with which you want to record your stream and just click on OK. Likewise, you can set up your browsing and your color sources, display capture, game capture, image slideshow, and many other things. So from the sources menu right here, and after that you can see the audio mixer. So it is by default working fine. So I'm not gonna touch it. And on the control section, you will see all these options. So just click on settings. Now we will tweak some settings. So in the general mode, you will see basic options like your language, theme, updates, and other things. So when you click on stream, so in this particular section, you have to use a stream key in order to stream from your OBS. So you will need your Twitch stream key. So you have to extract that from your Twitch account. That I will show you in my next videos. So after that, just enter the key and click on account and then just click on OK. And in the output section, you will see the streaming video and audio resolutions and stuff like that. So you can either customize that according to your need. You can do that, or you can keep them on default. I usually keep them on default because these general settings are based on the type of the screen that we are recording our stream on. And likewise, your audios, videos, and hotkey, there are so many features available. And once you are done, just click on apply, and after that you are basically done. So this is basically how you will be able to set up your OBS for your live streamings. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.